This is truly the #1 threat to your YouTube channel. And if you don't adjust, if you don't pay attention and focus on the things going forward, then this will hurt you in the future.
Ow, my leg! This is the worst pain ever! Go! Go!
Growing a YouTube channel can be very, very hard. You put in the time, you put in the effort, you put in the money, you get your equipment, you sit in a hotel room and try and sort out the light so it doesn't shine red in your face. You sit down, you note down every video that you ever want to make. But there is one very important threat that you need to eliminate if you're going to grow on YouTube.
I know, you can't understand me, but put down the stapler or I will electrocute you.
Every morning you wake up, you sit down, you look at your phone or you look at the stats on your own desktop computer and you wonder how well you're growing. What did my last video do? Is it still going viral? Is there suggestions? Am I getting views via search? All of these are perfectly really good questions. You're going to drill down into what kind of videos does what. You're going to understand that this video makes subscribers and this video makes views. You're going to engage with your audience by commenting in the comment section down below, answering their questions, sending them to relevant links and videos that are related. But still lose the one thing that you're going to do wrong, the one major threat to your YouTube channel. You start doing your keyword research, you start researching the next few videos that you want to make on your channel. Maybe you ask from your audience, you engage from your audience to understand the questions that they want to ask or the things that they want to see.
What do you want?
Whether it's a hotel room tour, whether it's a specific task or challenge, maybe they want to know more about you. Maybe they want to know more about your family or the subject that you happen to be teaching or sharing. But it looms the one threat to your YouTube channel. Honestly, this is something that many YouTubers do, and you'll be surprised. Just wait a second, you'll be surprised what the #1 threat happens to be. And the threat can affect any YouTube channel, not just small, large YouTubers as well have this threat looming over their head. What I like to do is I like to sit down, I like to calm myself down, I like to be with my thoughts for a moment, I need to relax, I need to push the threat away. The #1 threat to a YouTube channel is the overthinking and the comparing to other YouTube channels. You need to be comparing yourself to you. You need to be challenging yourself. You need to be doing better than your last video. You need to be engaging more than your last video. You need to be growing the engagement in your community. There is nothing more dangerous than comparison to other YouTubers in your niche. You don't know what advantages that they have. You don't know what skills they have brought. You don't know how much legwork they are performing. You just need to do better than you have done so far. The #1 threat to any YouTube channel is the complacency or the depression that can come along with, well, I wanted to do this, but look, he did that and she did this and her videos did so much better. Why doesn't mine?
It's not fair! I don't get it!
What you need to be doing is comparing yourself. Are your videos lighted properly? Are they engaging? Do they keep people all the way through? Can they hear them? Are they shaky? Do they have some useful message? Are you keeping them all the way to the end of their content? And are you pushing them to something that will be really helpful if they just clicked on it right now?